let's analyze it. Let's analyze it. Kini analyze. Túpalẹ̀. Túpalẹ̀. Because analysis is ìtúpalẹ̀. Àtúpalẹ̀. Tú means to unwrap. Tú means to loosen. Tú means to break down something, right? Jẹ́ ká túpalẹ̀. Let's loosen it. So it's like this words. Just see how it came about. Jẹ́ ká wo bí tó ti wá. Let's analyze it. Jẹ́ ká túpalẹ̀. So it's splitting. Túpalẹ̀ as in verb is splitting. It's splitting. So tú ọ̀rọ̀ yí palẹ̀. That means break these words down. Tú nǹkan tó sọ palẹ̀. Let's analyze what you're saying. Let's analyze what you're saying. Let's analyze it. Jẹ́ ká túpalẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká tú ọ̀rọ̀. The word palẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká tú délẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká, like, let's get to the base, right? Jẹ́ ká túpalẹ̀. A fẹ́ ṣe àtúpalẹ̀. We want to analyze ìròyìn, the news. A fẹ́ ṣe àtúpalẹ̀ ìròyìn. That means we want to break the news down. We want to dissect the news. A fẹ́ ṣe ìròyìn is news. Right? It starts it. I'll explain that in the next video. Right? Mo fẹ́ ṣe àtúpalẹ̀ ìròyìn. I want to break the news down. Right? Túpalẹ̀ is ṣé o ti ṣe àtúpalẹ̀ ìròyìn yẹn? Have you analyzed the news? Right. So jẹ́ ká tú ọ̀rọ̀ náà palẹ̀. Let us analyze the words, the word, the matter, the apnea. Right. So how do you say this? How do you say this? Let's analyze the current happenings in Nigeria. Like boom.